Hey garden friends, happy Sunday. So I'm out here making a succulent arrangement in a hypertufa pot, and this one's looking pretty good for how old it is. Nice and sturdy. I must have put a little more cement that I usually do in my hypertufa mud or recipe because it's nice and heavy. It's round. I'm running out of round pots, so this is a special one, and I'll show you the plants that I have for it. I have a beautiful Crassula, and this is a fuzzy Crassula. I'm going to get it a little closer. You can see the fine hairs on the leaves there. And this one has a super long name, Mesembryanthemoids. Crassula Mesembryanthemoids. And my hubby's name, his name is Brian. So this succulent has moved to the top of my list, obviously. Isn't that cool? I also have Sedum, pork and beans, and this one's a smaller one. Check that out. Look how green that is. That always blows my mind, how that green looks. Oh, and especially with the red tips. Oh my goodness. Ooh, one of those candy succulents. Oh, this is a cool one. Let's see. Faucaria tigrina, tiger jaw. Check that out, how it kind of looks like a jaw. Wow. And it's bumpy. It's got some texture, which is always good to add to your succulent arrangements. But that is such a cool plant. Oh my god. I mean, this one blooms bright yellow flowers, I believe. And the last one, I have Pachyveria Little Jewel, and this one, I mean, you can tell it's starting to turn purple, but it's still kind of pale, but it's starting to catch some more color. Such a beautiful plant. And this plant here is the second of the month on our website, Pachyveria Little Jewel. You should check it out. And let me start on this arrangement here by filling it with some soil. And I'll be doing like a mix and match kind of style here. And I usually just do 3 varieties, but right now, today, I'll be making it with 4. Oh, and it's going to take everything I got. All right, so hopefully I won't need any more soil. Fingers crossed. Likely that's not going to happen. But, that's all I have, or that's all I prepped. All right, and I will start with the Crassula, my new favorite, right in the center here. Ooh, that's going to grow kind of like a little bush, like a shrub, a mini shrub, and kind of tall. I think they can get tall. Pretty tall. All right, and let's see. I'll go for my Tigrina, for my tiger jaw plant, and I'll do the little wells here where I kind of want them to go. All right, and I'll tuck them one by one. Here we go. I think they look nice together. Tuck it in. There we go. Ooh, this one has like 2 babies. 1 and 2 right there. So it's 3 heads right here with that mother head right there. Oh, that's really nice. It's always fun to have, or to make more succulents, or to have more succulents. And succulents do it all by themselves. Ooh, and I see that Crassula there is starting to split on me, and I want it to stay nice and like a cluster. I don't want it to reach out eventually, but not right now. Just want it to be nice and little bunch right there. So I kind of just push some of the soil around it so it won't crack on me. If that makes any sense. You see how this one kind of wants to lean. Kind of tuck it in. Okay. All right, and now that the Faucaria is in there, I'll move on to my little jewel. And this is where I would need more soil, but I won't do it because I don't have any nearby. But I'll make the little holes for the little jewel right there. Work my way around. Such a quiet Sunday, like super quiet. Went and gave a little walk, a little short walk with my dog this morning, and way quieter than last Sunday. Because lately everyone's, well, around here, around this neighborhood, everyone's been like kind of walking around just to do something. And usually there's a lot more people out there. Maybe because there's a storm coming. Soon it'll start to rain. The wind is picking up, so it's been pretty breezy since like maybe yesterday afternoon. And I'll go around over here. And tuck this little cutie in. Oh, that looks nice, right? I thought that the Pachyveria would add a little color, but then I kind of looked at it and I was like, well, it can have a little more color to it, and that's when I thought of the Sedum. So I kind of want to tuck them in. I have 6, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So kind of like in between. Yeah, that'll work. The little jewel and the tiger jaws, I'll put a little jelly bean, or pork and beans, I should say. All right. That's what I know it as. Sedum, pork and beans. Fun name, right? And then I'll have 2 more. All right, but that looks cute, and I'll think I'll put one. I'll put one right there, and there, there. So all the way around. I'll kind of move this one just a little bit. Oh, that looks pretty. Yeah. Can't wait to see them all grow together. This should be a show. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'll kind of brush off the edges here. I'll start working on the stones. But first, clean this up a bit. Perfect. All right, here we go. And with the stones, I'm going to be able to hold the Crassula cluster together, because you see how it's kind of breaking and falling. Don't really like that. But work my way around the rim here and slowly tuck them in here very gently. No stone left behind. I think this came out pretty. Hope you like it. There we go. Such a beautiful day. Can you hear the bird? I hope you can. So relaxing. Beautiful. Okay, so now get into the Crassula part. Kind of tuck some in there, just so I can push the plant together. If by the weight of the stones. I'll move my way around. There we go. Now I'm like slowly covering some small holes that need a rock or two in there. I hope that you've been getting some gardening done. Super stress reliever. Making some arrangements or weeding. Mowing some grass. I don't have grass. I have a rock, like a succulent rock garden in the front. I pulled the grass a long time ago. That came out so nice. I really like it. Bring this up a bit so you can see the little pattern there that goes around with the tiger jaw, sedum, and the little jewel, and that crassula in the center. It's going to fill up. Can't wait for it to grow. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and maybe you learned something new. Maybe you learned about a new plant. And I hope you get out there outside and play with some plants. Until the next time, bye garden friends.